Assalamu alaikum friends, what's up? It's Tanzila from Cooking with Tanzila, and today we will look at my mom's pasta recipe. Well, no, my mom never made pasta in her life. She's super good in desi food, which I will definitely share soon. This is my own recipe learned from different sources and have modified it because my husband loves pasta. Again, a bit on the high carb side, and to balance it with a bit of protein from chicken and mushrooms. My vegetarian friends can use just mushrooms as it will be equally tasty. This recipe is a must try if your kids need something quick. I will start by boiling my pasta. I took rigatoni pasta instead of penne. Why? No idea. Just put it in salted water with a bit of oil and let it boil until it's soft from the outside but still a bit firm inside. Then I strained it off camera as it's pretty boring now to strain in front of the screen. Then I took one chicken breast and sliced it from the middle as chicken breast is usually a bit thick and this will help us cook it thoroughly. Next step is to coat this breast with some spices. I took 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of red paprika for taste and good color, half teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon nutmeg powder, 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. Then I added 1 teaspoon garlic powder, a bit of lemon juice and mix it. Now using your hands, coat your chicken breast and put them aside. Warm up a pan, add some olive oil, fry the breast pieces on both sides like this. You can keep the flame medium to high as we don't want the chicken juices to dry up. Now take out the breast and add 1 tablespoon of butter in the same pan because these leftover spices are also very important. Add some chopped garlic and saute it. Add some fine chopped onion and fry them for about 1 minute exactly like this. Then add some tomatoes for the gravy, color and of course for the taste. Everything looks combined together. Now it's time to add our mushrooms. Saute with all these spices. 1 cup of whipped cream, but you can take half and half or any sort of cream you have at home, but it should not be sour or ice cream. Just kidding. I added half cup of full fat milk for more creamy texture. Let it boil. Then I put my pasta in it and some of my pasta cooking water for more taste. You can mix it a bit roughly as pasta is a bit firm, but don't overmix as it may break. I chopped my fried chicken into these beautiful thin slices and added them to my pasta. Add a bit of mozzarella cheese, almost half cup, some parmesan, it's almost 3 tablespoons. No worries if you don't have them as they are optional. Mix them, taste and adjust the seasoning. Add some of chopped parsley for fresh green color as it tastes really good. Turn off your flame, cover your pan, let the pasta simmer for 5 minutes so that every taste could mix together. Inspect this is not very creamy but definitely so tasty. Can't wait to taste it. If you want to make it more creamy, feel free to add a bit more cream, milk, cheese and you're good. Time to sign off. I'll see you in the next video. If you like the recipe, give it a try and let me know in the comment section. Take care. Bye.